In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion in a simple and effective way. Whether you're looking to back up your work or simply adapt it to other formats, exporting content from Notion can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make the process as seamless as possible. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Notion workspace. This is where all your documents, projects, and wikis are housed. You probably already have it set up, but if not, you can easily access it online and type in your credentials to get started. Now, once we're at the workspace, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login button right at the top of the page. It's straightforward and will ensure that we're set to perform all necessary actions with ease. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to your Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard and will serve as the launching pad for everything you do here. On the Notion home, you can see all your templates, documents, and more neatly organized for easy navigation. Our goal is to export a file, and this is where it all begins. Next, we're going to select the resume template. This is just an example, but it's crucial for us to understand how the export function works. You can use any document you like, but for this tutorial, let's focus on the resume template for the sake of demonstration. By selecting a template, you familiarize yourself with the Notion interface and get ready to access the export function. Once you've selected your document, you'll need to click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of your window. This icon houses several additional options and settings that are not visible directly on the main screen. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various actions you can perform with your document. Within this drop-down menu, search for the option labeled Export. This is the heart of today's lesson. Once you click on Export, you'll be given a few options on how to save and format your document. Notion often allows exporting in multiple formats, like PDF, Word, or as simple Markdown files. Choose the format that best fits your needs. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of exporting a document from Notion. Remember, this is a powerful feature for backing up your work, sharing it across platforms, or simply reformulating it for different uses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more and make full use of Notion's capabilities. Happy exporting!